How many times do you find yourself wasting time typing in the same prompt over and over and again when you've got a decent prompt that works really well for you on ChatGPT or another language model? For example, let's say you're using it to reply to emails and you get a reply, and so you might say, I want to reply to this email positively, use blah 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 blah, and then we go and copy and paste the email. Right, let's check this out. Mail positive. Boom. We got a prompt already. Let's try another one here. We got blog to social. Boom. Now, how do we do this? This is called using a text expander, and the one that I actually use myself is on a program called Raycast. All right. So what it lets you do is create a prompt, save it, and then assign it to a quick shortcut prompt that you can type in on your keyboard. So if you download Raycast, it's free. Head over to create snippets, and this is where you can name the snippet, you can enter the text, and then we can assign a keyword. Now, the best way to do this is usually put a symbol, maybe not an axe. I mean, I at quite a lot of people, but if you do exclamation mark and then type in, email, reply, etc., etc., you get the gist of it. Let's look at the snippets I've created. So I've only used this a little bit, but this is definitely a game changer. So we've got this one here, positive email. I want you to respond to this email in a positive manner. Don't use too many descriptive fillers. Keep the response neutral. Instead of having to type that in every single time, now we can just literally go mail, positive, boom, like so, and then hit reply. So I can say Raycast. You will have to allow this in your settings. Now Raycast is just for Mac, but there is a few alternatives that are out there for Windows as well. But that's the main thing. The main thing you're gonna have to do is enable it. In accessibility on a Mac, make sure it's ticked to allow the application below to control your computer. Raycast has got lots and lots of different clever features. But as I say, we're using this for snippets. That's what it's called. This essentially is a text expander, and you're probably going to be hearing a lot more about text expanders, the use in AI going forward. So I hope that was valuable for you. Just a quick one today. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you're going to use something like this going forward. Text expanders on Raycast.